All right, hey Jesse, how you doing?
Hey,
Give me
what's
some
up?
elbow. All right, what's going on? You said you had a problem with your car?
Yeah, so like, you know,
What is it, like the
I
carburetor?
love my car. Well, carburetor. No, but so I mean, I love my car, but like when I come out and I want to open the frunk, I press the button and it opens this much.
Press it on your phone?
Yeah, you know,
Okay.
it works with the phone, you know, whatever. There's a
Yeah.
button in there too, and you know.
Seems like it works. What's
Well, no, I want it to, you know,
Oh,
I want it to open all the way by itself. I don't want to
did you hurt yourself with your arm there, pulling it up?
No. It's just I want it to.
What? On
Like,
its own?
what if I'm holding groceries?
What is it, an elevator door?
Yeah, but I mean, I just want to open all by itself.
Oh, wow.
Do you have what can we do to fix that?
That sounds like a first world problem, Jesse.
What can I do to fix it?
All right, fine. You know what?
What?
I got the solution.
What?
Right here.
All right, well, let's check it out. Next to Now You Know. Okay, well, but Mr. G, these look like parts, and I don't want to touch anything. I don't want to screw any holes or do anything
no big deal.
like that.
Yeah,
Well,
it's like Legos. It just pops in, pops out. You're good.
Well, what are we looking at here?
These are from Evannex, and they fit on the Model 3. There's some instructions. You know, you could look at those.
Okay,
I
but
think
obviously we're not going to look at those. No.
I think it just pops on.
So, but I mean, am I going to have to unscrew something and drill holes and weld it and then apply
keep
glue
it together,
and then
keep it together.
What
It's
do we
just
do?
like pop in, pop off. Look at this right here. See? Let's open this up right here. See that? It just capsulates it. It's just a little clip. Clips on, clips off. That's all it basically is. There's a little spring clip.
Okay.
And it just pops in.
Okay, so I guess we installed them, huh? So you're telling me that they put in these things and you don't need any kind of fancy tools. You just need a flathead screwdriver. You just put it in here.
Yeah.
This one's slightly too large.
Okay, how's this little pick?
Ice pick.
Use the ice pick.
So I just pull this
Pull
off
it back
a little bit.
a little.
Okay.
Should just pop. Oh,
Whoa.
yeah. Oh.
So, okay.
All right, have your friend hold it.
Have your friend hold it. Okay, that's a good
I'll
tip.
hold it.
Good little tip there. All right, so then the lower one.
There it is.
There it is.
Cool.
Okay, so
that was so easy.
So now you have the other one?
Yeah.
You do. Okay.
There you go.
So now I don't need any tools.
Nope. Just pop it
I'm
in.
just gonna pop in. So I'm gonna work from the bottom here. So you're saying it's as simple
Oh wait,
as...
do we do? I think.
Oh, there
it
it is.
doesn't matter actually.
And then lower it a little bit.
Yep.
So it lowers it a little bit. Let's just show that real quick. So this is where the top is normally with the stock components. With Evanex's one, it's right here. So if you can't live with that much lower.
It's so much more powerful with just one.
Really?
Yeah.
But it's unbalanced. So let's get the other one on there.
Okay. Another way you could describe this, Jesse, this socket is like a ball and socket of your arm. It's just a ball and a socket, and then there's like a spring clip that you're pulling back.
So we're just dislocating the shoulder of the...
That's it. It's a shoulder dislocation.
To put it in gruesome terms.
Yeah.
All right. And same thing. So it's real simple, just like relocating your shoulder. Click. It's terrible. Click.
All right.
Okay.
Ready?
Whoa, we're done.
Should we try it?
Okay, so now we got it. Ready?
Yeah. Okay. Whoa.
All right.
Yeah.
Fancy schmancy. Check
Why
me
do I
out
feel
at
like, Why do I feel like this is going to end up in some like Herbie Goes Bananas type of movie at some point? Like the car that talks and does stuff.
So,
You know
I mean,
what I mean?
this has a lot of very useful applications. If you're at the supermarket, right, and you have a handful, you're full of bags and your phone, and you don't want to put this in your pocket to lift up the thing, or you don't want to like use your shoe, don't use your shoe.
Yeah.
All you have to do, right, press the button, and you put the groceries right in.
So cool.
Yeah, so that's
love
good.
that.
Also, you want to surprise someone romantically?
What about birthdays?
Yeah, birthdays, bar mitzvahs.
I'll go in there.
All sorts of great things. No, you have gifts, presents,
No, I'm
flowers,
going in.
chocolate. teddy bears, whatever you want to put in there. Hey, would you go out to the garage and get me something?
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Okay. Why don't we put some balloons or something?
The biggest thing to me was that was the simplest install of anything ever. I think that the only easier thing you could ask for would be like floor mats.
Yeah.
Like, what else pops in and out this easily in a car?
And look, it's good. See?
Yeah.
No problem.
So the other thing works too.
Oh, just pressing from inside.
You can be in the car. And so like, you know, you don't want to like meet face to face with anybody, but you do want them to give you stuff.
Oh yeah, oh right.
And the whole time, I didn't have to come into physical contact with you.
Yeah, that was great.
But
I don't want physical contact
But
with
if it didn't open all the way, then someone might not know. They might think that I was just popping open the engine.
Yeah.
And they're like, whoa, I'm here to deliver groceries, not fix your car, dude. So by doing that, it makes it a little more obvious.
It's pretty cool. I like this feature.
Yeah. And so if you want to get these Frunk lifts yourself, you can get them over at Evannex. You can use our discount code right here to save you even more money. So thank you so much for watching. Now you know.
Now you know.